Hello everyone, myself Fatima Tahrin. I am studying in Vidya Vikas First Grade College. Today we will discuss about primary memory. Primary memory is a section of computer memory that the CPU can be accessed directly. Types of primary memory. In primary memory, there are two types, ROM and RAM. In ROM, there are three types, EROM, EEROM, EPROM. And in RAM, there are two types, SRAM and DRAM. So, now let's discuss about classification of primary memory. Primary memory can be broadly classified into two parts. Read-only memory means ROM and random access memory means RAM. Now let's start with read-only memory means ROM. Any data which need not to be altered or stored in ROM. ROM includes those programs which run on booting of the system that initialize along with the data like algorithm required by OS. Anything stored in ROM cannot be altered or changed. Types of ROM: PROM, EPROM, EEPROM. Now let's start with types of ROM means read-only memory. PROM, programmable ROM, can be modified once by the user. The user buys a blank PROM and writes the desired content, but once written content cannot be altered. EPROM, erasable and programmable ROM content, can be changed by erasing the initial content, which can be done by exposing EPROM to UV radiation. EEPROM, electrically erasable and programmable ROM content, can be changed by erasing the initial content, which could be easily erased electrically. So let's start with random access memory, which is RAM. Any process in the system which needs to be executed is loaded in RAM, which is processed by the CPU as per instructions in the program. Like if we click on application like browser, firstly browser code will be loaded by the operating system into the RAM, after which the CPU will execute and open up the browser. Types of RAM: DRAM and SRAM. So let's start with RAM, means random access memory. DRAM, dynamic RAM or DRAM, needs to periodically refresh in few milliseconds. To retain data, DRAM is made up of capacitor and transistors and electric charges. Leaks from capacitor and DRAM needs to be charged periodically. DRAM is widely used in home PCs and servers as it is cheaper than SRAM. So, SRAM. Static RAM or SRAM keeps the data as long as power is supplied to the system. SRAM uses sequential circuits like a flip-flop to store a bit and hence need not to be periodically refreshed. SRAM is expensive and hence only used where speed is the utmost priority.